The Philippines, a name that conjures up images of paradise. This archipelago of over 7,000 islands is a haven for nature lovers. From pristine beaches to towering mountains, the Philippines offers a breathtaking tapestry of landscapes. Each island holds its own unique charm, waiting to be explored. Prepare to be amazed by the diverse ecosystems and the abundance of life that thrives within them. The Philippines is a place where adventure awaits around every corner. Dive into crystal-clear waters teeming with marine life. Trek through lush rainforests echoing with the calls of exotic birds. Discover hidden waterfalls cascading into emerald pools. The beauty of the Philippines is both captivating and humbling. It is a stark reminder of the power and fragility of the natural world. Join me as we journey through this archipelago of wonder, exploring its hidden gems and celebrating its irreplaceable biodiversity. Let the Philippines enchant you with its natural splendor. The Philippines is renowned for its stunning coastline. Stretching for thousands of kilometers, the beaches here are the stuff of dreams. Imagine powdery white sand that feels like silk beneath your feet. Picture yourself swimming in turquoise waters so clear you can see the vibrant coral reefs below. Whether you seek relaxation or adventure, the Philippines' beaches have something for everyone. Lounge on the shores of Boracay, consistently ranked among the world's most beautiful islands. Ride the waves at Siargao, a surfer's paradise known for its consistent swells. Explore hidden coves and lagoons in Palawan, where limestone cliffs meet the sea in dramatic fashion. But the beauty of the Philippine coast extends beyond its beaches. Beneath the surface lies a kaleidoscope of marine life. The Philippines is part of the Coral Triangle, the global center of marine biodiversity. Dive into this underwater wonderland and encounter a dazzling array of coral species, tropical fish, and even gentle giants like whale sharks and manta rays. The Philippines is not just a land of beaches and islands. Venture inland, and you'll discover a world of towering mountains and verdant valleys. These majestic peaks offer a welcome respite from the tropical heat and provide breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes. Trek through the Cordillera Rice Terraces, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and marvel at the ingenuity of the Ifugao people who carved these rice paddies into the mountainsides over 2,000 years ago. Hike to the summit of Mount Apo, the highest peak in the Philippines, and be rewarded with panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see. The Philippines is also home to a chain of active and dormant volcanoes, each with its own unique beauty and mystique. Visit Mount Mayon, renowned for its perfect cone shape, and witness the raw power of nature firsthand. Explore the crater lake of Taal Volcano, a lake within a volcano within a lake, and be captivated by its otherworldly beauty. Venture into the heart of the Philippines' rainforests, and you'll enter a world teeming with life. These emerald green ecosystems are a sensory overload, a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells that will leave you breathless. Towering trees form a dense canopy overhead, filtering the sunlight and creating a magical, dappled effect on the forest floor. Listen closely, and you'll hear the cacophony of the rainforest, the chattering of monkeys, the chirping of insects, the calls of exotic birds. Look out for the Philippine eagle, one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world, soaring high above the canopy. Its wingspan can reach up to 7 feet, making it a truly awe-inspiring sight. The rainforests of the Philippines are home to an incredible diversity of plant and animal life. Many of these species are endemic, meaning they are found nowhere else on Earth. From the world's smallest primate, the Philippine tarsier, to the vibrantly colored Philippine cockatoo, the rainforests are a treasure trove of unique and endangered species. Section 5. Unique and Endemic Treasures of the Philippines. The Philippines is a biodiversity hotspot, home to an astounding array of plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth. This incredible endemism is due to the archipelago's isolation and its diverse range of habitats. One of the most iconic endemic creatures is the Philippine eagle, a symbol of national pride. With its striking appearance and powerful presence, the Philippine eagle is a top predator in its ecosystem. Sadly, it is critically endangered due to habitat loss and hunting. Another fascinating endemic species is the Philippine tarsier, one of the smallest primates in the world. Its large, expressive eyes, which are fixed in its skull, give it a perpetually surprised expression. The tarsier's long fingers and toes allow it to cling to branches and leap incredible distances. The Philippines is also home to a diverse array of plant life, including over 10,000 species of flowering plants. From the delicate orchids that bloom in the rainforests, to the towering dipterocarp trees that dominate the canopy, the flora of the Philippines is as diverse as it is beautiful. Section 6. Island Adventures Palawan, Siargao and Bohol. For those seeking adventure and natural beauty, the islands of Palawan, Siargao and Bohol offer unforgettable experiences. Palawan, often called the last frontier of the Philippines, is a haven for nature lovers. Explore the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and marvel at the underground river that flows through a series of spectacular caves. Head north to El Nido, where towering limestone cliffs rise dramatically from the turquoise waters, creating a landscape that is both breathtaking and surreal. Kayak through hidden lagoons, snorkel in coral gardens teeming with marine life, and hike to secluded beaches for unforgettable views. Siargao, on the other hand, is a surfer's paradise. Known for its consistent swells, Siargao attracts surfers from all over the world. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-timer, there's a wave here for you. When you're not riding the waves, explore the island's laid-back villages, sample the local cuisine, and soak up the island vibes. Bohol is famous for its chocolate hills, a geological wonder that will leave you speechless. These over 1,200 grass-covered hills turn a rich brown color during the dry season, resembling giant chocolate kisses. Bohol is also home to the Philippine tarsier, and you can visit a sanctuary to observe these fascinating creatures in their natural habitat. Section 7. A personal encounter with the gentle giants. I'll never forget the time I had the opportunity to swim with whale sharks in Donsol, Sorsogon. These gentle giants, the largest fish in the ocean, migrate to the waters off Donsol from November to May to feed on plankton. I remember feeling a mix of excitement and nervousness as I slipped into the water, and then, there it was, a whale shark, longer than a bus, gliding effortlessly through the water. Its massive size was awe-inspiring, but its movements were slow and graceful. I swam alongside it for what felt like an eternity, mesmerized by its sheer size and beauty. It was an experience that filled me with a sense of wonder and a profound respect for the natural world. It was a reminder that we share this planet with creatures far greater than ourselves, and that it is our duty to protect them. Section 8. Guardians of Nature Conservation Efforts in the Philippines. The Philippines faces significant environmental challenges including deforestation, pollution, and climate change. However, there is hope. Across the archipelago, individuals, communities, and organizations are working tirelessly to protect the country's natural heritage. Local communities are at the forefront of conservation efforts. They are working to protect their ancestral lands, manage their natural resources sustainably, and raise awareness about the importance of conservation. Non-governmental organizations, NGOs, are also playing a vital role, conducting research, implementing conservation programs, and advocating for policy changes. The Philippine government has established numerous protected areas, such as national parks and marine reserves, to conserve the country's biodiversity. These protected areas provide a safe haven for endangered species and help to preserve the country's natural beauty for future generations. Section 9. A call to protect preserving paradise for generations to come. The Philippines is a paradise in peril. Its natural wonders, from its pristine beaches and coral reefs to its lush rainforests and majestic mountains, are under threat. But there is still time to act. We can all play a role in protecting this archipelago of wonder. We can support sustainable tourism practices that minimize our impact on the environment. We can reduce our carbon footprint by using public transportation, cycling, or walking whenever possible. We can support organizations that are working to protect the Philippines' natural heritage. The future of the Philippines' natural wonders lies in our hands. Let us be responsible stewards of this planet and preserve its beauty for generations to come. Let us ensure that the Philippines remains a beacon of biodiversity, a paradise not just for ourselves, but for all living things that call this archipelago home.